Have you ever wondered how a machine can recognize your face or voice, or how an online system can predict your next purchase? The answer lies in artificial intelligence or AI. But what exactly is AI and how does it impact our lives? Artificial intelligence, at its simplest, is the science of making machines smart. It enables machines to mimic human intelligence, learn from experiences, adapt to new inputs, and perform human-like tasks. The impact of AI is far-reaching, spanning across industries from healthcare and education to finance and entertainment. The journey of AI started in the 1950s, with the foundational belief that every aspect of learning can be so precisely described that a machine can simulate it. Over the next 2 decades, AI research was mainly theoretical. However, in the 70s and 80s, AI entered the mainstream with the introduction of expert systems and machine learning. The 90s and the early part of the 21st century saw the rise of deep learning, a subset of machine learning that teaches computers to do what comes naturally to humans, learn by example. This led to breakthroughs in tasks related to image and speech recognition. AI can be broadly classified into narrow AI, which is designed to perform a specific task, such as voice recognition, and general AI, which can theoretically perform any intellectual task that a human being can do. Machine learning is a core component of AI. It involves teaching machines to learn from data and improve their accuracy without being explicitly programmed. Machine learning can be further broken down into supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. AI has myriad practical applications. Natural language processing enables machines to understand and generate human language. Computer vision, on the other hand, empowers computers to interpret and make sense of the visual world. AI is also transforming robotics. Robots, powered by AI, are being used in a variety of sectors, including healthcare and finance. However, the integration of AI into our lives raises ethical considerations around bias, job displacement, and privacy. As we look to the future, AI continues to evolve. Emerging trends include explainable AI, which seeks to make AI decisions more transparent and understandable, and AI for social good, using AI to tackle societal challenges. For those intrigued by the world of AI, there are numerous resources, online courses, and books to aid in your learning journey. Remember, understanding AI is not just about comprehending its intricacies, but also about contributing to its dynamic and evolving landscape. As we wrap up, it's clear that AI has come a long way since its inception. From theoretical research to practical applications, AI has transformed how we live and work. But this is just the beginning. As AI continues to advance, it holds the promise of solving some of the world's most complex problems. The future of AI is here, and it is exciting.